Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safely home. Okay? Myself Archana Tiwari, your computer and GK teacher of LPM Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So from few videos we are studying about topic third computer, more on keyboard and mouse. I think I already explained you 4 parts. I've sent you in 4 parts of videos. I explained some one topics. We have already learned about the keys on a keyboard. On keys on a keyboard, we learn about the types of keys, that is alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, toggle keys, navigation keys and other keys. So all these types of keys we have already learned in the previous video. Okay. After that I explain you about the on-screen keyboard. What is on-screen keyboard? You know what is on-screen keyboard? On-screen keyboard, whenever our keyboard is stopped working and not doing any work, how will you type? So at that time we take the help of on-screen keyboard, which is appeared on the window 10. For opening this, so now today I am going to explain you about the mouse. About the mouse. What is a mouse? A computer mouse is of handheld printing device that detects two-dimensional motions relative to a surface. Mouse, what is mouse? A computer mouse is of handheld printing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. Okay, see here I will read in a book what is given. A mouse lets you point at any object on the monitor. As you move the mouse, the pointer on the monitor screen also moves. A mouse is connected to the CPU box through a wire. Nowadays, wireless computer mouse is also available. Okay, I will explain. The mouse is a handheld device that transmits your commands to the computer by controlling the movement of the cursor. By controlling the movement of the cursor, pointer on the computer screen. As you move the mouse, the pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. As we move the mouse, the pointer on the screen, what happened? The screen moves in the same direction. At the direction the mouse pointer is moving, the screen also moving at the same directions. At present time, if you see, mouse is always connected to the CPU box. Mouse is always connected to the CPU box with the help of through the wire. But nowadays we also have a wireless mouse. Wireless mouse. At present time there is a mouse which doesn't need to connect with the wire. Okay, we have wireless computer mouse that is also available at the present time. Mostly at present time most of people are using the wireless mouse. There is a full form of mouse. You know what is the full form of mouse? See here, MOUSE. This is the spelling of mouse. M stands for manually. M stands for manually. 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 O stands for operated. OPERATED. U stands for user. USER. S stands for selection. SCLECTION. And E stands for equipment. EQUIPMENT. So this is the full form of mouse, that is manually operated user selection equipment. Okay, got it? I will repeat again. Manually operated user selection equipment. This is the full form of MOUSE, mouse. Okay, see here we have some mouse actions. The button and scroll wheel on the mouse help you to perform the following actions. The button and the scroll which are already having on the mouse. Here in the book, there is picture, is in the picture shows that we have two buttons and a scroll wheel. Between that two buttons, that is left button and right button, and between that left button right button we have a scroll wheel. All these are help us to perform the following actions. Some following actions are there that I am going to explain you. That is, see here, it's given in the column base, that is mouse action result. In mouse action, first heading is click, left click or left click, click or left click. See here, most computer mice have at least two mouse buttons. Okay, most computer mice have at least two mouse buttons. When you press the left one, it is called a left click. When we press the left one, it is called a left click. By default, the left button is the main mouse button. By default, what happened? Left button is the main mouse button and is used common task such as selecting objects and double clicking. And it is used for what? It is used for common tasks. For example, that is selecting objects or and for double clicking. Selecting objects and for double clicking. In books here I am short, I will tell you. Clicking selects an item or any option on the monitor. Second one is double click. Second one is double click. Double clicking open an item on the monitor. Double click open an item on a monitor. For example, if we want to open any file, for example, when we open our computer, there is a desktop. You see there on the desktop there is a very small icons are there. If we want to open any file, any icons from that desktop, we can always click or double click. We can always click double click, and with the help of double clicking we can easily able to open any file or any documents. So see here, a double clicking is the act of pressing a computer mouse button twice. Double clicking means pressing a computer mouse button twice quickly while keeping it still. Double clicking opens an item on the monitor. Third one is, that is right click. That is what? Right click. Right clicking on any item opens a list of commands. If we want, suppose if we want to open a list of commands of any types of list of commands, if we want to open, we always use the right click button of the mouse. We always use right click buttons of the mouse. With the help of right click we can open any items of a list of commands. Any items of list of commands. Clear to this much, all of you? So come to the next one, that is drag and drop. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. See here, to move an item from one place and shift it to another position on a monitor is called the drag and drop action. I repeat, to move an item from one place and shift it to another place or position on a monitor is called the drag and drop action. It means what? If any item we want to move from one place to another, if we want to shift any item from one place to another, we can always drag and drop with the help of drag and drop action we can shift it to the another position. Drag and drop is a common action performed within a graphical user. Drag and drop is a common action performed within a graphical user interface. It involves moving the cursor over an object, selecting it and moving it to a new location. And moving, I will repeat. Drag and drop is a common action performed within a graphical user's interface. It involves moving the cursor over an object, selecting it and moving it to a new location. Got it? Now next last one is that last mouse action, that is scrolling. That is what? Scrolling. In scrolling, see here, moving the scroll wheel forward moves a page up and moving it backward moves a page down. Whenever we use a scroll wheel and whenever we move the scroll wheel in forward direction, it always moves a page up. Whenever we scroll a wheel on a forward direction, it moves a page up, and whenever we move the scroll wheel in backward direction, then it moves a page down. Got it? Whenever we move the scroll wheel on a forward direction, it moves page up, and whenever we move the scroll wheel backward direction, then it moves a page down. It moves a page down. So by this I have completed my chapter 3, more about keyboard and mouse explanation. So now we are start just little bit, we go to summarize the whole chapters. See here from starting to end. A keyboard is used to enter data into a computer. A keyboard is used to enter data into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Keyboard is always used to give data and instructions into a computer, and a standard keyboard has 104 keys, and a standard keyboard has 104 keys. There are various types of keys. We have various types of keys on a keyboard, that is alphabet key, number keys, special keys, toggle keys, function keys, navigation keys, symbol keys and punctuation keys. All these are the various types of keys. Third point, that is on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard appears on the monitor and lets you type using a mouse. On-screen keyboard appears on the monitor, and with the help of mouse we can type. Okay, on-screen keyboard is appear on the monitor, and for typing we can take the help of mouse. With the help of mouse we can type on the screen. Second last is a mouse is a, what is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU box through a wire. But nowadays we are getting wireless mouse also. Last point, that is click, double click, right click, drag and drop and scrolling are mouse actions. There are some mouse actions. What are that? They are click or double click, right click, drag and drop and scrolling. Click means left click. Okay, these are the what? These are the mouse actions. So okay, by this I have finished my chapter 3 explanation completely. So in next video I will be explain you the book exercises. Okay, and one thing more I want to say, that whatever the works previous for chapter 1 and 2 is given to you, Please write it down in a prescribed copies mentioned in the PDF, and please write it in good handwriting. Okay, writing should be clear, neat and clean, and complete your work in a prescribed copies. Okay, I will by this in next video I will explain you about the tick the correct answer, fill the blanks, true false, question answers, all this. So please stay at home. We concentrate on your study and do your job well, and save yourself with corona. Don't go here and there. Bye, see you. Thanks for listening me.